Preparing for an AI future might be the most important challenge of today. But teams were already struggling with innovation, and now people are confused and skeptical and anxious about what AI might mean for the future of work. I know that the people who use technology will outperform the people that don't.
It's my job to make sure that your AI transformation does not fail.
It's my job to help you blend the power of technology with the power of human creativity. Teams have trouble figuring out how to reinvent the behavior that they've taken for granted for the last 25 years.
Dan Chuparkoff teaches, elevates, empowers, builds from a place of vision, and creates impact.
I've tried experiments for the last 10 years. I know what works and what doesn't. I'm prescribing specific roadmap for change that I've done all of these things myself.
In the next 5 years, regardless of what our role is, what team we sit on, or what industry we sit in, AI is going to change the way we think about work.
Most teams are focused on innovation and change, but it's not about their own behavior change. It's about the new product that they buy or the org chart flipping around. Innovation is just a noun, and it's the thing that results from some other actions. And I believe the actions are, you have to learn new stuff, you have to try experiments, you have to share information more efficiently, you have to make decisions faster, and you have to technify some of the manual work. So you'll start to look at the world in a different way. You'll start to find things that you can reinvent to make better, changes that you get to pick.
I want you to think of AI like this too. It's a thing there that's helpfully suggesting things you might do next, and that will accelerate the way you get stuff done. I have something which I call the hierarchy of human expertise. And this is going to be super important as we figure out what our relationship is with technology over the next 10 years. Is focus on the bottom layers of work and give as much of that over to the robots as we can. We create a partnership between us and the AI assistants that help us. Then we get to do the higher value stuff at the top of this pyramid. We get to flip the pyramid of work.
AI is just the new way we make software in the world now. AI is just a new way we collaborate as people with the information around us. And if we do that, we will spend more time creating amazing new things in our industry, things that wouldn't exist unless we make the time to do this. Things that won't exist unless we harness the power of artificial intelligence.